Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. Start by opening Settings, then scroll down, choose Notifications and Status Bar, then tap on Manage Notifications and scroll down a bit. Now click on the swordor next to an app from which you want to block notifications from, like Calendar. As you can see, all notifications from Calendar are now disabled. You can enable them by clicking on the same swordor, but you can also click on one of your apps and tap on the switcher next to Allow Notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!